Hello friends, welcome back to this session. In this session we are going to see about blood grouping system. Blood grouping. Okay, we have different types of blood groupings available, but the most commonly used blood grouping, the most widely used one is ABO blood grouping. Okay, ABO blood grouping. So let's understand what is this ABO blood grouping. This just means antigens. Okay, we have RBCs. Okay, on the surface of this RBCs we will have certain proteins called A. Okay, and this is a glycoprotein. This is a glycoprotein, and it is called as antigen. Okay, so antigen, we'll have certain antigens like this. We'll have A antigen, we have B antigen. We have two different types of antigens that's present on the surface of this RBCs, and this AB antigens are actually controlled by a gene that is present on chromosome 9. Okay, chromosome 9. Okay, yeah. So let's understand what we have in this system. Okay, so we have RBCs like this. Okay, in that we may have A antigens present on the surface of this RBC. So if there is A antigen, then that will be called as A blood group. Okay, yeah, and sometimes we may have B antigen on the surface of this RBC, and sometimes we may have both A and B antigen present on them. Okay, and sometimes we may not have any antigen present on the surface of the cell. So we can have A antigen, we can have B antigen, we can have AB together in a RBC, and we can have no antigen in the RBC. Okay, so accordingly we can give groups. This is A blood group, this is B blood group, this is A B blood group, this is O. Okay, O doesn't mean that O antigen. O means there is no antigen, zero. Okay, yeah. So let's understand much deeper. So suppose this person is having A antigen in his RBCs. So he knows what is A antigen, but he is not aware of B antigen. So he doesn't know that there is an antigen called B present in this world. So when this antigen B that enters his body will not recognize that B antigen. So his immune system will destroy that antigen, that RBC that has this antigen. Okay, so we should be very careful with the blood transfusion. So you should know what is blood grouping. So let's write down the antibodies. Okay, so this person is having A antigen in him, he is not having B antigen, so his body will have anti B antibody. Okay, so which means if B antigen comes, this antibody will destroy that cell. So if a person is having B antigen, what antibody will be there? He will be having anti-A antibody, right? Getting my point, right? If a person is having A antigen and B antigen, now he knows both antigens, so there will not be any antibodies in this person. Okay, and how about O blood group? He is not aware of A and also B, so he will be having anti-A and anti-B antibodies. Okay, so this person, if we are transfusing A blood group to O or B blood group to O, both these RBCs will be destroyed in this person's body. Okay, so let's see who can receive um, from okay. Okay, this means A can receive from whom? Okay, so let's see. A blood group persons can receive blood from A because they have A antigen, so they know what is A antigen, so they can receive blood from A. They can they receive from B? No, absolutely not, because they have anti-B antibody. This anti-B will destroy this B antigens, right? So they cannot receive from B. Can they receive from AB? And again not, because AB also have this B. Can they receive from O? Yes, because they don't have O persons, they don't have A or B antigen, so they are safe to be transfused. So A can receive from A and O. B can receive from B. Yeah. Can he receive from A? No. Can he receive from AB? No. Can he receive from O? Yes, he can. What is AB blood grouping? From whom this person can receive? Can he receive from A? He is having A antigen. Yeah, definitely he can receive. Can he receive from B? Yes, he is having B, so he can receive from B. Can he receive from AB? Yes, definitely he is having AB in him. He can receive from AB. Can he receive from O? Of course, definitely he can receive from O because there is no antigen present on O, right? So these persons are the luckiest persons in the world. They can receive blood from any blood groups. Okay, so let's see O. Can he receive from anyone? No. He he is not aware of any antigens, right? He doesn't know what is A. He don't know what is B. His body is gonna kill or destroy the RBC whichever is having any antigen present in it. So he cannot receive from A, he cannot receive from B, he cannot receive from AB. So he can receive only from O because O will not have any antigen. So he can receive from his own blood group. So they are the unluckiest persons. Okay, yeah, so the universal recipients. Okay, universal recipients are the AB group of people, right? And similarly, you can work out for who, A can donate to who. Okay, and we will study about one more system of blood grouping. Okay, this system is called as ABO blood grouping, and we'll also study about RH system. Okay, RH system is also known as a rhesus system. We'll study about this rhesus system in the next video. Until then, you can work out on this video. You can Let us know in the comment if you have any doubts regarding this, and thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye.